Guys, now I'm going to show how to download Google Camera. Let's open Chrome and type Google Camera for Android 6.0.1 ARM64. Tap on apkmirror.com and check it's Android for 6.0 plus ARM64. Scroll on the screen to download APK and just tap on it. Recheck and scroll down and click here and download will start. And after downloading, just install it. After installing the APK, just tap to open. It will be crash on first time because it will not support video recording. And again we have to relaunch the camera to start it normally. Just take images. From the menu we can find lens bar option. Just tap on lens bar to open it and focus it and tap on shutter button and slightly move upwards to align it, and it will be start to render. And after rendering we can have DSLR like images, bokeh effect. So thank you guys, thanks for watching. Be like and support. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.